Hello, I wanted to show you a quick opportunities I had today. This is using the main Renko charts, which is what I've totally switched to. I look at the candlesticks sometimes, maybe to get an idea, but for the most part this really makes it simple, clean cut. Everything's really clean and precise. So anyway, today I saw oil. Yesterday, this was yesterday, how it ran up starting at 6 or 7 in the morning, whatever it was. It just took off. It just ran up and up and up. And then it hit its high up here at 50.45, and so I started drawing a trend line down. And then what I saw through here with a combination of the CCI starting to turn over and my stochastics oversold starting to turn up, I was looking for a break through this trend line down. So I got these two bars, these two red bars right here, and then what I did was I looked back over here to the last highest green, and the high there was 50.27. So I put my buy at 50.28. I can tell you that it did get filled. It did go against me down to 18 cents, or not down 18 cents, but it went from 50.28 down to 15.18, 10 cents, and then it turned around. Basically went down, took everybody's stops out, and then it turned around, came up. Normally, what I'm looking for is two candles, so I would have gotten in on this one at 28, 1, 2, which would have been 38 is where my target was, 10 cents, which I do 2 contracts, which would have been 200 bucks. I was at home. I got out early. I just took 80 bucks and just took that. But normally what you do is you let that run at least 2 bars. I didn't do anything after that, and then I waited. Then later on in the afternoon I got back on and I looked and I saw this forming right here. This is an island bar where it's just by itself. I looked on Top Step, or not Top, Thinkorswim, and to me here was the first move up, which was wave 1, and then it kind of leveled off here, and then here was wave 2. And so I figured from this point, from here to here was roughly 30 cents. So I just figured 30 cents from here up. So what I did was I did the same thing that I did over here. I just came over here. The high, of this previous candle was 52. Same thing with this one. The new bar was start at 53, so I put my buy at 53. And then just wrote it up. I actually, since I was looking at 30 cents, I actually was looking at around 70. So I got in at 53, but I added at 63. I added a couple more contracts for a total of 5. Ran it up to 70, I think it was, or 71, and then got out. But when you do this, like I said, you're always just looking for 2 up and then going from there. I can show you here real quick. If you go to, let's say, gold, you got the same thing going on here. This was 6 o'clock last night, went up just a little bit, came down. This is roughly 6 in the morning in through here. You could look at this as an island bar, but you've got your CCIs coming up. You would have wanted to go long right above here, but it didn't happen. It came down again, And so then you could have got long right in here. But here's the 2 down again. You wait till it gets up here. You could have went long there. You wouldn't have got 2 bars. Kind of went sideways. Eventually you would have got it. That's one kind of a, not the best example, but just trying to see if there was another one somewhere. Yeah, here's a couple. You could have had roughly three on this one. Here's an island bar. You put a buy right above it, 2 candles up, boom. And like I said, I do 2 contracts at a time, so there's $200. Do it again right here. There's another $200. Now, if you're good enough, you could take one off and let one run. Same thing again here. So in this area right here, that'd have been on 2 contracts, looking just to take them right back off after 2 consecutive bars. You're looking at $600 right here. So, and this is at night. So just different things to look at. If you have any questions, or if you kind of like what you see, let me know and I can show you more.